Today I tried to install my wheel weights for my rear wheels. I don't think my wheel weights were designed for this wheel. They were designed for regular 8-inch wheels. This is a 12-inch wheel, so the holes don't match up. However, I did make a bracket, right, that attaches my wheel weights onto it. So this works well, and the weight is on there. Of course, I'm not going to keep this on here for, all of summer. Just did it to try, and it works. I don't even know where that bracket's from, but I just had it. It's very, very strong steel, really thick, and it holds the weight on there. So all I need to do is get some chains. So I just got back from my mom's house. On the way to my mom's house, I stopped by this dude's house. He was selling this on Craigslist. He wanted 50 bucks for it. I told him I'll give him 20. He said 25. I said 25. He said 30. I said okay. This is brand new in the box. He had to open it to show me. I wanted to make sure I was getting a box of chains and not a box of rocks, right? So it is brand new. And this is for size 23 by 10.5 by 12 or 24 by 9.5 by 12. And my tire is 23 by 10.5 by 12. So perfecto. I thought 30 bucks for brand new was a good deal. So now I've got my tire chains as well as weights. So this would be good for the winter. Boy, I sure hope it snows. However, I doubt it. It's about 65 degrees right now. With this setup that I have, it's pretty perfect because I'll tell you why. Because if I wanted to hook up a trailer to it, right, this bar allows me to just stick the thing in here and I can pull the trailer while I have the weights on with the chains on. You know what I mean? I thought that was pretty cool. So now I'm going to show you how to put on these chains. What I did was I jacked it up in the back. Now remember, I've never put on chains before, so this is my first time. But it looks like the ends here have these clasps. There it is, done. Just gotta figure out how these clip on there. I don't know. Just from looking, I don't think this will reach. You know what I'm saying? Unless I did something wrong, but I don't think this is going to reach. Oh. I guess it will. It was kind of, huh. What the hell? Maybe I should read the instructions. What do you guys think? Should I read the instructions? Nah, I don't need to read no instructions. I'll figure it out myself. Forget about it. I don't read no instructions. I refuse to read instructions. How about that? I don't see how this works. Is that it? That seems pretty simple. That looks pretty good, right? I want to say it could be tighter. What do you guys think? Is that right? Does that look normal to you? I don't know. This, do I bend that or do I just keep it like that? You know? So you got to kind of spread this out a little bit, otherwise it's going to seem too tight. I don't know. It seems kind of loose to me around here. This part just seems like it could be tighter. That's better. That looks better, and that looks pretty cool. No instructions. Although I think there are instructions in there. I'll do the other side. And the left side's done too. It was really pretty easy to put on. We don't need no stinking instructions, man. Just use your brain, right? That's it. Just use your brain, man. So that's what it looks like. Got my tire chains on. Got my wheel weights on. With my bracket there. I can also tow my trailer in the back. This is really heavy now. What do you guys think? Badass or what? Nice, right? Got my LED bulbs. These were cheap. I think they were like $4.95 for two of them. Cool. I don't know if they're brighter. Maybe they are brighter. It's definitely whiter. You know what I'm saying? That's cool. Well, that's pretty much done. Thanks for the suggestions from all you guys. MIDI Band, who told me about the chains I should get. The wheel weights. A bunch of guys told me about the LEDs. Thank you. I think it's a good idea. It didn't cost very much. Let's see. Oh! So here's a shout out to Deke W. Deke W. He says I should call this thing the Blue Bayou. I saw Henry riding on his GT6000. Man, he blew by you. It's fast. Got the Black Beauty and the Blue Bayou. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Hey, so it's like dark now, you know what I mean? It's like 7 p.m. and stuff. Remember Scott Keller was supposed to come over and pick up the, Jacobsen 26 snowblower? He goes, yeah, Henry, I'll be over there. I'll come and pick it up. Don't worry. I'll be like 3 o'clock on Saturday. It's like 7 o'clock or something like that. Look who shows up at my house. Everybody, finally, Scott Keller, the man, the dude, the one dude that gives me all the trouble on my page. But you know what? You need that one guy that gives you problems. Why? Because there's something to that. I've learned so much from his criticism that it makes me a better man. You know what I'm saying? Say hello to everybody, Scott.
Hey, everybody.
Everybody's been dying to find out what Scott Keller looks like, and there he is. He's a very nice guy. He doesn't look like the kind of guy that I thought he would look like, you know, but decent fella, man. He came over. He brought me some ethanol free gas, right? And I insist that, you know, it's great and everything, but then once I use it, I won't have any more, you know what I mean? So it's just like a tease, you know? And the next thing is, I'll show you. And I'm going to put the Mowers and Blowers sticker right here on Scott Keller's Wall of Fame. Badass. Here we are. We got Scott Keller's Jacobsen 26 up on his truck. He's just tying it down. I got to tell you, you know, I personally think it's pretty amazing that that damn thing starts up every single time. It's really amazing. It's like one of the most reliable snowblowers I've ever had. You know, unfortunately, I never really got to use it, you know. Even when the snow came this season, I never got to use it. But Scott Keller likes it. He can have it. Scott Keller brought me an engine. I'll show it to you. So I just took this from Scott Keller's pickup. And Briggs Stratton power built 12.5. I've had a bunch of these engines. I actually have the same engine on my mom's Craftsman, but it's a 13.5 riding mower at her house in Queens. You know what, man? Rides good. I believe this is also, I had a yard bug. You guys remember that yard bug? I think that was the same engine too. Anyway, so I would, he told me I could just connect, I think this is the rectifier resonator or whatever the hell that is, and just connect my stator right onto there. He hasn't tested the motor, but he says that it should be good. Has good compression. And some gas tank mounted to the side of it like that. Pretty cool. So yeah, so we're trading. I'm giving him the snowblower. He's giving me the 12.5 engine and some cash. And I think this will work out. You know, I mean, I don't have anything to put it on yet, but...
And here's one for Pete Lombardi. There's no white hair. Full head of hair, too. Check that out, Mr. Pete. And guess what? I'm 50 as nifty. Still wearing the same leather coat I had when I was 17 years old.
Oh, that's great. There you go, Pete Lombardi.
And I'm Mr. Cheap.
Not cheaper than me.
I drive a 24-year-old pickup truck.
Well, he might be cheaper than me.
Tell Pete Lombardi ain't got a can that good.
So, Scott Keller talked me into it. He brought me some ethanol free gas, right? And I says, no, don't give it to me. He goes, well, I'm not going to give it to you. I'm going to charge you $5 for it. And I said, well, that's fine and all, but honestly, it's a tease. If once I run out, I won't have any more, you know? So he's like, oh, why don't you just keep it for your good shit? And so I said, oh, all right. So I'm going to transfer this into that one there. Check out this apparatus. Cool! And it's got a mesh thing in there, too, to take out the undesirable. So I'm going to transfer that ethanol-free gas into my can. We'll be good to go. So since it's dark, I just remembered, let me go and try out the lights, you know, since I was showing Scott Keller this tractor and about what I've done to it and stuff. You know, he's been following all my videos ever since the start. He's a true fan, but he gives me shit once in a while, but that's okay. You know, he's a good guy. Anyway, man, you guys are right. Look how bright these LEDs are. So white, too. White and bright. Looks nice.
I bet you I've come further than anybody else to see Henry.
Guaranteed! How about that, huh? Scott Keller came to visit, finally. He's a nice guy, guys. Now he's got a long road back to Elmira, New York. I feel like it took 8 hours for that dude to get here, you know? Insane. Anyway, that's been a very interesting day. My Jacobsen Imperial 26 is gone. Got a new engine. Hey, maybe I'll go find a lawn tractor without an engine and start another project with Scott Keller's engine. What do you think about that, huh? Anyway, see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Hey guys, support my channel. Buy a sticker. Got the bumper sticker too. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Follow my Instagram @MowersBlowers. Check out my website.